Well, importantly, the attorneys who represent the taxpayers do not want to be recommending appraisals that end up being unhelpful for the property tax appeal cycle or system. So in other words, if the property is valued at $1 million and I tell the client, you really should get an appraisal in order to help you reduce your property taxes, and then the appraisal report comes in at $1.2 million, you can imagine that I wouldn't have very many clients and they wouldn't really want to work with me again after they spent X number of dollars on an appraisal that actually came in at a higher value than what the assessor had. So what the appraisers do is they develop what's called a preliminary opinion of value, which is under their rules, their ethical rules that they have to follow, which is the Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, or they call it USPAP. They're allowed to develop a self-contained appraisal report that has a value in it, but it's basically a short, it's short, it's a few pages long, and it does comply with USPAP, but it's not a fully developed appraisal report that you could submit to the record and actually use as evidence. So they give you like a mini appraisal before they, agree to be hired to do the fully developed appraisal.